All right, hello, sixth graders. Before we start our learning segment on photosynthesis, we're going to think back to something we learned about a month, 2 months ago, and we're going to relate that to photosynthesis to engage your guys' background and prior knowledge, all right? So here we go. Photosynthesis related to osmosis. Osmosis, that's something we learned about 2 months ago. Osmosis happens when cells within our bodies or animals' bodies, whenever molecules pass through the outside of that shell, the semipermeable membrane, from a less concentrated solution to a more concentrated one. So osmosis happens in cells, and molecules pass in and out of the cell. Photosynthesis does not happen in our bodies like osmosis. Photosynthesis happens in plants, flowers, trees. And the process of photosynthesis is when plants convert carbon dioxide into their food using energy derived from the sun. So what happens is photosynthesis is when water, sunlight, and carbon dioxide are present, that carbon dioxide goes into the leaves and oxygen comes out. So like osmosis, something is going in and something is coming out. Back to osmosis, the semipermeable membrane, that is the outer coating around the shell, and that's what allows those molecules to go in and out of the cell. Similar to photosynthesis, the stomata, this is a vocabulary term for photosynthesis, the stomata are the little tiny holes in the leaves where carbon dioxide goes in and oxygen comes out. So similar to osmosis, things are going in and out of the cell. For photosynthesis, things are going in and out of leaves. So let's compare osmosis and photosynthesis. Osmosis happens within our bodies, and it helps us to live. Photosynthesis also helps us to live, even though it's not happening within our bodies, it's happening in nature all around us. The reason it helps us live is because oxygen is given off by the plants, and oxygen is what humans and animals need to breathe. Photosynthesis, you have to have sunlight and water in order for it to happen. Whereas osmosis, it's inside our bodies, so you don't need the sunlight. It's not going to get there. I look forward to starting this learning segment with you guys, and I hope this helps you compare to osmosis and start to get your background knowledge going for photosynthesis.